Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Gold continues to show us the potential that it has bottomed already here in this circle wave 2 on the 26th of May. We've now been exploring for a few days, and if not a couple of weeks, the option that gold has bottomed here. We talked about a wave 1 top on the 13th of April, then an A overshooting B wave and the C wave down. We said we could count 5 waves down complete, and the very first early signal that a bottom has been struck after the 50% fib level here, the trend reversal area was touched, was a break above the descending trend line. You know about that if you've been watching the previous videos. We then said, okay, we can count a 5-wave move up. It's not the most beautiful 5-wave impulse, but it's an okay 5-wave move up. However, the most bullish count I can come up with is here, a wave 1 top on the 31st of May when it reached 1993. Then an A wave down, touching the 38.2 fib level, an overshooting B wave, which is okay because we had a 3-wave move down. An overshooting B wave, typically you are looking for a maximum of the 1.38 fib retracement of the A wave. Let's see what we actually reached. Yeah, perfect. So it didn't go above that level, not above the $2,000 level, the 1.38 fib retracement. So it's fine for an overshooting B wave, and then an impulse down and a C wave. And now we can count 5 waves up here as well. So it's okay, you know. This is a possible 1-2 setup with another micro wave 1, and obviously we're waiting now for this retracement to be completed and a follow through in a 3rd wave. What would be the target for the 3rd wave? So first of all, this is, as you've realized, probably a bullish count. As long as we're now holding the 1953 level, which is the 5th of June low, we can focus on higher. Important would be now for price to, 1 second, just wondering, 1 second, just wondering, was that dotted line one of the levels we calculated? I can't remember, because I'm just wondering where that dotted line comes from. Let's just double check that. I don't know, maybe it was, maybe not. It's a 200% extension it reached though on the way down. So yeah, this could be a 1-2. Oh yeah, what is the target for the 3rd wave? So obviously condition is it's holding the 1953 level, because if it drops below that, this 1-2 setup will be invalidated and it will open the doors for one more low. Looking at the bigger picture, it's not a problem for gold to go a little lower. As long as it's overall holding 1865, the overall upside can continue into the $2,200, $2,300 ranges. Now, target for the 3rd wave, again, condition I just told you, target would be $2,045 as a minimum and then higher. And yeah, just wanted to really give you an update on the latest parameters, not really make a very long video. Again, there's no guarantee this is bullish, but as I've been saying for the last few weeks, I think this is an opportunity that at least shouldn't be ignored to the upside, because at the moment we have a potentially bullish setup, and as long as we're holding 1865, the focus can be on higher. Someone asked me why I not consider a bearish count. I of course do consider the bearish scenario, and that's why I've got this 78.6 fib level here on the chart. So below support, of course, you know, basically there's a risk then of new lows below last year's October lows, okay? But as long as we're holding bullish support, it's basically pointless to focus on the bearish scenario. You need to know about it for risk management, but as long as we're holding support, bullish support is a bit like, anyway, we're in an uptrend, and as long as the uptrend is holding, we don't need to talk about potentials that haven't shown high probability signals. We haven't seen a bearish signal yet, and as long as it's adhering to this wave count, there's not really a need to unpack in more detail a bearish wave count, especially as the movement to the upside has so far been corrective. But obviously we are going to be open to all scenarios, and if 1865 is going to be challenged and attacked then that will open the doors to quite a substantial drop. Okay, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.